Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So today we will pull a Soulful Woman card, see what kind of messages come through. We haven't done this in a while, so let's see what messages we need to hear today, whatever it is, whatever you're looking for. So of course this won't resonate with everyone, but let's see what it has to say. This one. The power of support. I am grateful for all the love and support I receive. It is the most precious of life's gifts. And that's what it looks like. So in this, what I see for sure is this focus on the third eye and also on the lotus at the top of her head. So this chakra here, the crown chakra, is also called related to the 1,000-petaled lotus, which connects us to divine consciousness. And then with the third eye, that's our own inner knowing. And we think that support only comes from just friends and family. That's where it comes from, and that's our expectation. But also, we have a level of support from our divine consciousness, from source energy, from whatever it is that you call it. Maybe you call it angels, maybe you ask for angelic help. Whatever it is, know that we have support that goes beyond this material realm, beyond the 3D. We have support out there from maybe the ancestors that have passed on. We have support from spirit guides. Whatever it is that you believe in, that's where your support is at. So call in that support, ask for that support, ask for that guidance when you need it, because this is exactly what this card is saying, is that you have a powerful support team surrounding you, and we don't tap into it enough. We need to tap into that support even further than we do already. And it's okay to ask for help, regardless if it is from family or friends or from higher consciousness. Ask for help and expect it. So I hope this helped you today, and have a good week.